some of the grounds right here. Wow. Pray that you would be with us the whole way.
In Jesus' name, amen.
We've had a busy week, and Matt is going to start out sleeping. I think this is one of the first times. I think it's the first time he's done that, hun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that guy. He is one tired character kid. Vlogger Matt. Vlogger Matt is offline. For us, this isn't too bad. Originally, we were going to try to leave by 9, but then we decided 8, and we got out at 8:35. So we're on the way. This is a much anticipated trip for us. I can't believe it's already here. It was how long ago was it that we found out we were going to be doing this? At least a couple of months ago, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so, and here it is already. We're heading out. My brother, he loves Disneyland, knows everything about Disneyland, and takes a chance to go to Disneyland with friends and family anytime he can, I think. He set up a trip to take us on this time, and we're heading down there. And from what I hear, the hotel is pretty special. It's going to be pretty cool. We keep extending it out for our cats. I think this might be the longest that we have left them and have gone away, but
With a cat sitter.
with a cat sitter, that's right. We got a cat sitter there watching them and feeding them and everything. We are leaving the coming rain for a lot of the days up here in Northern California, heading down to sunny Southern California, where it's supposed to be like almost 80 degrees on one of the days, I think, and up here it's like mid-60s. So looking forward to it. First stop, stretch our legs, switch over from Jennifer driving and me sleeping to me driving and Jennifer sleeping. We're at the Grand California, okay? This, I believe, is where we're gonna stay right here, folks. Oh, look at that. Quite an entrance here.
Turn right.
All right, look at this place. He's saying over there. We got a guy guiding us and leading us.
It's going to be the left lane.
Oh, look at this guy. Found Uncle Kevin here. Hey,
fun stuff coming.
Look at this place. Look at this. Man. Inside. All right. Let's see. What do we got here?
We each have our own room key. They have your name on it.
Wow. And they knew our name when we pulled up to have the car parked.
Yeah.
Well, that's because at the check-in booth,
But still,
they, but yeah.
still singing.
What do you think here, dude? Wow, that's quite a mirror there, huh?
They call it a makeup mirror or something like
So
that.
look at that mirror, though. It's got the light all around the mirror. That's good lighting.
Yeah, it is.
Bless you. So here's our view, Matt. Let's see.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's the monorail track right there. Matt says there's another room back here. Let's see what is in here. Oh, wow. Look at there. Another mirror, another bathroom.
What?
Oh.
There's another there's a master bathroom in here.
Oh man.
And a closet. Wow.
Who's it?
Big closet.
Oh, wow.
All right, so let's go in the room, Matt. Let's see this. Wow, another big giant TV.
It's a full-size balcony.
Oh, and a balcony out here. Couple of beds, couple of beds back here.
The monorail just went by, Dad.
Did it?
That'd be, yeah. How's that big loud sound was? That'd be cool to watch the monorail go by.
Desk here.
Oh, Oh man.
We got a balcony out here with a little table to sit at. And you can look over some of the grounds right here. Wow. You can even dim the light there with the slider. Crazy. And then in here we've got this lighting, perfect for video, all around up there. And where's the slider for this one? Oh, right over there by the bed. Yeah, look at that. Cool.
Yes.
Man alive. Charging and plug-in stations everywhere. Going to find Uncle Kevin now. He's apparently has some dinner reservations, so we're gonna go meet him down in the lobby and
Or wait, there is no one.
see what's going on.
There's no one.
There he is, in front of the Christmas tree. Did you put that up back there?
Yeah, I just whipped it up real quick, so
Yeah,
you know,
that
I
looks
didn't have a lot of
nice.
time to decorate, but I got a little bit on there.
Nice. Here's where we're going tonight, apparently. What do you think, Matt?
It's cool. I need to get a shot of you.
It's pretty fun in here.
Yeah? Yeah. Going into the deep sea there, bud. It really is raining in here. Look at that. What do you think about that, Matt?
Wet. I touched it.
Going in, Matt. Ready to
Straight
go
back
in?
and up the stairs.
Yep. Wow, this looks cool. Look at this.
Go on that side. That's only those stairs only go down.
Down, not up. This side, right here. Wow. Uh-oh, it's getting dark. Something's happening. The lights are flashing. The gorillas are doing something. What do you think of this place, dude?
It's pretty cool.
You hanging with the elephants back there?
Yeah, I'm scared though because apparently they're gonna have a thunderstorm every 30 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Hey, look.
Oh, there they go. You're not going to want to take them home, are you?
Oh, I didn't think about that. Peanuts? Want some peanuts?
Give them to the squirrels at home. What do you think, Kevin? There's something
Kind of afraid of that
fishy
thing.
going on behind you over there.
I'm kind of afraid, actually. If I wasn't so hungry, I'd really be concerned.
Border, ready to eat
Yeah,
in the jungle. We got a storm going on now. Take cover, Matt. It's riling the elephants up. Hey, Matt. Who's that guy up there?
I can't remember. I think he's one of the guys in Star Wars. I can't remember his name though.
Matt is in his element here. Look at this. Star Wars. Oh! Oh! Who's that guy?
Dad.
A Porg plushie toy.
Better than my poop.
A poop and a board? I think there should be some. Don't get anything on it.
Well, it was a really long drive today, over 7 hours, but man, is it worth it. This hotel is just absolutely cool. Got to check out downtown Disney. I'd never been there before, didn't even know it was there, but it was really cool to check that out. Have dinner in the Rainforest Cafe yes, that was really cool. Saw that on some other YouTube videos before, but had never been there, so that was really cool to check it out. Now, iPad Club, it looks like back here on the couch. Going to get ready for tomorrow because we've got an early day starting out at 7 o'clock tomorrow. Apparently, if you're staying in this hotel, you get to go into the park an hour early. So we get to go get in on some rides that would normally have really long lines. So that's gonna be cool. Gonna try to get some sleep tonight after a long driving day today. So thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. God bless you, and we will see you tomorrow on the next video.